Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2010, Disney Pixar's Toy Story 3 held its U.S. premiere at the Capitan Theatre in Hollywood. The film's world premiere happened the day before in Italy at a film festival. Toy Story 3 went on to earn over $1 billion worldwide at the global box office, becoming the first animated film to do so. It was also nominated for 5 Academy Awards, and it won 2. Best Animated Feature and Best Original Song for Randy Newman's We Belong Together. Have you seen Toy Story 3? Did you love it? I sure did. Anyway, have a magical day.